Writing articles, pinpoint accuracy. This may not be a politically correct analogy, but if you were to shoot off a cruise missile from 200 miles away, you would want it to hit your target, am I correct? The same can be said for an article writer. The substance of any article is very important, but an article misses the mark if it doesn't do what you intend it to do, that is, bring about a call to some sort of action, i.e., buy my product, sign up for my newsletter, etc. Most web-based articles are very precise. They have to be. Start off with an attention-grabbing opening, followed up by 3 or 4 main points, and then tightly wrapped up with a conclusion that invites the reader to take some specific sort of action, is the way every successful web content article should be written. Anything less than what I have outlined is like a cruise missile gone astray. Aim for your target and make certain that you hit it each and every time, no matter how far away you start. Although cruise missiles are prone to go astray, at least you have the luxury to write, examine, and rewrite your articles before they are delivered to your target, i.e., your customer.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.